If you want to reset your car, you're going to hold the first and 3 to clear any codes that were in here previously by anyone else. This red light will light up and you will wait probably 30 to 60 seconds until it starts flashing, and then it will turn off. Then your car is supposedly, according to Lexus, cleared. So you're going to bring the old garage door remote and you're going to hold it while pressing the new one. So because this had nothing saved, it doesn't flash fast. So because it's flashing slow, that means it's in registration mode because this is wiped. But I think they typically flash very fast. So then it blinks fast, which means it is programmed. I'm holding the button. Now this button here is programmed for the garage door, but it won't actually open the garage door until you sync it with the garage door opener. I'll press the program button, usually a purple one, on the garage door opener, and it gives you about 30 to 45 seconds to come back and then hold this button until it registers that. Good luck, and hopefully the programming works out for you. Take care.